put some breading on my pork chops and give me 2 helpings of mashed potatoes. Looks like Vanessa's pulling out the Ford 8N. What a classic. The 9N was the first American-made production model tractor to incorporate Harry Ferguson's 3-point hitch system, a design still used on most modern tractors today. It was released in October 1939. The 2N, introduced in 1942, was the 9N with some features changed or removed due to the restraints of wartime manufacturing. The 8N, which debuted in July 1947, was a largely new machine featuring more power and an improved transmission. By some measures, the 8N became the most popular farm tractor of all time in North America. Over 530,000 units of the 8N were sold worldwide. The Fordson Model F had sold over 650,000 units worldwide, but in North American sales, the 8N surpassed it in popular acclaim in units sold.